Hey everybody, welcome back to school and your first week of STEAM class. This week we're going to be working on math skills, actually for the next few weeks, especially since we got out of school so early last year. We're going to get some extra practice on some of those essential math skills you're going to be needing for your grade and some of the things that your teachers are going to be covering. So it's going to kind of help out with the things that you're working on in class. So for third graders coming out of second grade, you need to be really good at addition within 20. I'm going to show you a couple of games in Math Playground. It's a free website, so there's no signing up or signing in. You just go to mathplayground.com, and then you're going to pick second grade. And there's two games in here I want you to work on this week. Whenever you have some free time and you want to play video games or play on an iPad, do this instead of a video game just for a little while, and try to brush up on some addition skills. So we're going to be looking at number bonds 10 to 20, and we're going to be looking at number bonds 2. Both of these games will help you with addition from 10 to 20. So we're going to work on this one, number bonds 10 to 20 first, because there's a few different stages or levels on this game, and it's a little bit more difficult and I think a little bit more fun too. But when you hit start twice, you can pick your target number or the sum that you're going to keep in your head. I'm going to start with 10 because that's relatively easy. I'm also going to turn the music off. You don't have to do that, but the object of the game is to keep 10 in your brain and then to connect the number with the other add-end or the other digit that would make 10. So 2 needs 8. 6 needs 4. And all I'm doing on my iPad here is tapping on the number. If you have a mouse, you'll have a cursor or an arrow that you can put right next to the number. So 4 needs 6. Now, here's 2 6s right over here, and it gets rid of both of those 6s, and you get a little bit of extra points. 2 needs 8. 3 needs 7. Do you see a 7? I don't see a 7. There's a 7. 5 needs 5. 5 needs 5. Okay, so if there's no 5s, you can get rid of it. 9 needs 1. 3 needs 7. 3 needs 7. I don't see a 7, so you can either get rid of it or you can just stack your 3s, and I'll show you why that helps in just a minute. So 2 needs 8. I don't have a 2, or an 8, I mean. I'm going to stack my 2s and my 3s. 9 needs 1. 6 needs 4. 6 needs 4. 6 needs 4. 9 needs 1. Oh, I missed, and it's okay. Not a big deal. 8 needs 2. Look, here's 3 2s that I can get rid of. Missed. All right. At the end of my string of numbers, I have these 3 3s, purple, orange, and blues. Here's a 7, and if I put the 7 right here, that's why I would stack some numbers up on the edge, so you can get rid of all of those numbers. 6 and 4, 7 and 3, 1 and 9. I hit the coin there. I don't really know what that does. I think it gives you just more points when you shoot. 1 and 9, 7 and 3, 8 and 2, 8 and 2, 2 and 8, 1 and 9, 3 and 7. So I don't have a 7. I'm going to put it right here where that 3 is. I don't have a 4, so I'm going to use those other 6s. See how many 6s I just got rid of? Now I don't have a 1. I'm just going to get rid of that 9. numbers off the track before they get to the end of the track, the game's over and you lose. This is a little bit more difficult because the track kind of overlaps. So if you try to shoot right here, you miss. All right, and then you got to be careful with your aim too. So again, 8 and 2. If I don't see a 2 really quick, I'll just put it next to an 8 or get rid of it, over here. Now if you're trying to get rid of it and accidentally hit, you're just stacking up more numbers. Okay, 7 needs a 3. And you can just do this for as long as you want. As soon as you master 10, if you beat 3 levels on the 10, then go to 11, 12, 13, go all the way up to 20, because this is a huge skill for a second grade. So this will really help you brush up on that. All right, so we need a 3, need a 9. Oh, you see how I missed that 9? Here's a 9 right here. See if you can say in your mind the number that I need for 3. 3 needs what to make 10? 7 needs what? Well, 3 needs 7. 7 needs 3. Do you see a 3? I don't see a 3. I'm going to try to shoot it right through there and get rid of it. Eight needs a 2. 3 needs a 7. 3 needs a 7. 8 needs a 2. 7 needs a 3. 7 needs a 3. 1 needs a 9. 6 and 4. 6 and 4. I don't see a 4. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. 3 and 7. 1 and 9. 6 and 4. So, you get the picture. I'm going to go out and go back to the other one. The other game. Number bonds 2. This game works really a lot, very similar, a lot like the last game we were playing, only you're trying to connect the dots as they make 10. Alright, so a 4 connected with 6 will make 10, a 3 connected with 7 will make 10. You can also pick your number. Here's how you can connect. There can't be anything in between, and it can't do all these bends. So just be careful or think about that when you're trying to connect these numbers. I'm going to use, let's go with 11 this time. So I'm thinking my total is 11. So I know that 10 and 1 makes 11, 9 and 2, okay, 8 and 3. This red 7 and then this brown 4, they don't work because there's numbers in between them. But this 7 and that 4 would work because they're right next to each other. 7 and 4. 7 and 4. 6 and 5. 6 and 5. See how the set bottom of those 6 and this red 5 are next to each other, but there's numbers in between them. So get rid of this 7 and 4, then this 6 and this 5. 7 and 4, 8 and 3, 10 and 1, 3 and 8, 7 and 4, 7 and 4, 8 and 3, 8 and 3, 9 and 2, 2 and 9, 10 and 1. Got the stars out of the way. I changed the colors of the numbers. .248 seconds on 11. So see if you can beat 248 seconds with the sum of 11 in your head. And those are the two games on mathplayground.com for second grade. Practice all of those numbers, all of those target numbers from 10 to 20. And that'll help you a whole lot with that skill. Hope you enjoy it.